In this video, I will show you how to fix Samsung TV half-screen black. If you're experiencing half-screen display issues on your Samsung TV, it can be frustrating and disruptive to your viewing experience. However, there are several troubleshooting steps that can be taken to resolve the issue. So in here, I'll show you how you can do that. So solving the half-screen display issue would require you to first go ahead and press the TV home button. If the TV menu is not showing properly, then the TV needs repair. Otherwise, follow the further steps. The second thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and disconnect the HDMI to check. After that, you can go ahead and perform a picture test. So check out the guide on how you can perform a picture test and reset. And the last thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and restart your TV and external device to see if the block section still appears on the TV screen. If it does, your TV needs a repair. And that's basically how you can fix Samsung TV half-screen black. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos.